Johannes Reinke was a German botanist and philosopher who was a native of Ziethen, Lauenburg. He is remembered for his research of benthic marine algae. Academic background: he studied botany with his father from the age of 8. Initially he studied theology at Rostock, but his focus later changed to botany. In 1879 he became a professor of botany at the University of Göttingen, where he established the Institute of Plant Physiology. From 1885 until 1921, he was a professor at the University of Kiel. Reinke was a co-founder of the Deutsche Botanische Gesellschaft. Contributions: Reinke had a keen interest in the systematics, developmental cycles, cytology and physiology of brown algae. From 1888 to 1892, he published a number of articles on marine algae from the North and Baltic Seas. From the Baltic Sea, he described several new genera of algae. He published works on the algal families Tilipteridaceae and Sphacellariaceae. Also, he postulated that the encrusting algae genus called Aglarozonia was a stage in the life history of Cutleria. The genus Reinkeller is named in his honor. Reinke was a proponent of scientific neo-vitalism, and a critic of the Darwinian theory of evolution. Opposing the secularization of science, Reinke, along with his Lutheran friend Eberhard Dennett, founded the Kepler Union in order to counteract Haeckel's Monist League, which aimed to replace German churches with the evolutionary theory as a secular religion. In 1901 he introduced the term theoretical biology, to define biology from a standpoint of concepts and theories, and to differentiate it from traditional, empirical biology. Reinke attempted to explain the process of biological change through a concept of morphogenesis and genetic regulation he referred to as the Dominanten theory. Among his written works was a book that discussed the relationship of philosophy and religion to science. He died in Preetz. Selected publications: Entwicklungsgeschichtliche Untersuchungen über die Diktioten des Golfs von Neapel. Novaacta Academiae Caesaria Leopoldino Carolina Germanici Natura Curiosorum, BD. 40, 1 Lehrbuch der Allgemeinen Botanik, 1880, Lehrbuch der Allgemeinen Botanik, 1880, Atlas Deutscher Meeresalgen, 1889 and 1891, Einleitung in der Theoretische Biologie, 1901, 2nd edition 1910. Philosophie der Botanik, 1905. Haeckel's Monismus und seine Freunde, ein freies Wort für freie Wissenschaft, 1907. Die Kunst der Weltanschauung, 1911. Kritik der Abstammungslehre, 1920. Naturwissenschaft, Weltanschauung, Religion, 1923. Das dynamische Weltbild, 1926. Wissemann, Volker, Johannes Reinke, Leben und Werk eines lutherischen Botanikers. Volume 26 of Religion, Theology and Naturwissenschaft, Religion, Theology, and Natural Science, Vandenhoek and Ruprecht. ISBN 3527570,201, 9783525,570,203. The standard author abbreviation Reinke is used to indicate this individual as the author when citing a botanical name.